Today we are doing a repair, and then after that the client, this is how the hair was before. As you can tell, this part right here was like interlocked. This part right here is kind of loose, so I'm just like repairing them. And then eventually the client would want to extend her dreadlocks, and I did one sample for her. Let me show you guys. This is one sample of extending the hair. This one is human hair, and I used a crochet needle to extend it, so it's not going to fall. See, I pull it and it still stays, so I didn't do it too long. So these are the ones that I fixed already, and these are the ones that needs to be fixed, and I'm still working on them. Over here I'm going to grab all the hair, fill them one in, and I'm going to use two different type of crochet needle to finish her hair. Stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how the hair looks like when we are done. Okay, stay tuned.